In this tutorial, you will learn how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 not launching error code 0x89235106 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Open your Xbox app. Select Call of Duty. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Call of Duty Black Ops 6 to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Do you want to continue? Press Yes. Now wait for Call of Duty Black Ops 6 to be scanned for errors. Now launch Call of Duty.
First, open your Xbox app. Click on your username. Select Support. Click on Gaming Services Repair tool. Press Start Repairing. Wait for your Xbox app to be repaired. First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Press Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the first command that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell frame and select Edit. Select Paste. Now press Enter to uninstall Gaming Services. Copy the second command that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click PowerShell and select Edit. Click on Paste. Now press Enter. Press Get to download Gaming Services. Press Yes. Wait for Gaming Services to be downloaded and installed. Now Gaming Services should be installed. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu and type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the first command that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the frame of your PowerShell window and select Edit. Now select Paste. Press Enter. Copy the second command that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the frame of your PowerShell window and select Edit. Now select Paste. press Enter. Wait for the Microsoft Store to be reinstalled. Type exit, then press Enter. Now open your Start menu. Type Microsoft Store. Right-click Microsoft Store and select Pin to Taskbar. Now open your store. First, open the Start menu, then open Settings. Open Apps. Open Apps and Features. Locate Xbox. Click on the three dots. Click on Advanced Options. Locate Reset and select Repair. If that didn't work, click on Reset. Press Reset. If that didn't work, press Uninstall. Press Uninstall. Close your Windows settings. Search for your Xbox app. Select Xbox app. Press Get. Wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Press Open. Sign in to your account or press Browse the catalog.